This is a March make to study single phase energy meter ME2403S. Here is voltmeter 0 to 2000 watt. This terminal MLCV line indicator. Here is energy meter terminal of M, N1, N2 and L. Here is standard meter. This voltmeter 0 to 300 volt AC MCV of single phase, and this AC meter 0 to 5 ampere AC. Here is panel 220 volt AC, terminal of P and terminal of ampere. Here is voltmeter. Here is terminal of voltmeter MLCV, and here energy meter MN, N1, N2. Here is external load of terminal. Here is resistive load 1.2 kilowatt. Here is voltmeter 0 to 300 volt AC. Here is ampere meter 0 to 10 ampere AC. Here is switches on off valve 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here terminal of load on off switch, and here is KitKat fuse. I will tell you how to connect the circuit with leads. First of all, connect to current meter with lead, and now connect parallel is voltmeter. Connect with the lead. And here is voltmeter. Connect to M, L to L, C to C, and V to V connect. And here connect energy meter. Terminal of M to M connected, N1 to N1, and N2 connect, and after L terminal to L connected. After connect single phase 230 volt AC, P terminal to phase and terminal to neutral with supply of single phase, and then after load terminal connect to here, and all connect the circuit clear and tight with leads complete. After given the supply of single phase, here is MCB is on. Here standard meter is voltage is come of single phase supply to 20 volt AC, and now apply the load. Now apply the load. One by one switch is on, and see the resistive load coming voltage and current. Here is voltage and here is current of load current. And now here is C, voltage and current is equal to is voltage, and here standard meter of reading voltage, current and 50 Hz frequency is 1 power factor, and here energy meter is push the button and then change the parameter 1 kilowatt and 0.095 kilowatt. Change the parameter is note the reading. And here see red indicator blinking 3200 times after 1 unit consume. Note the down and perform experiment to study single phase energy meter. Here is procedure. Follow the step by step. Connect the circuit after observation table. Voltage, current, time 420, actual energy V1 kilowatt, recorded energy kilowatt, and this noted the error. Thank you.